Hey friends, if you wish to open RAR files on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So we have a .rar file here. Now I need to open it because it's a zip file and it's in RAR format, which is supposed to be opened with the WinRAR software. But nowadays, Windows has introduced this function that you can simply extract it. So right click on it, extract all, extract, and you will be able to view the file easily. This is one thing. After this, you can also use the WinRAR software to extract it. For this, search for WinRAR in the Windows search bar or Bing search bar. If you search it in the Bing search bar, you'll get this download option here. Click on it and choose the latest version according to your system and click on open, and when you click on open, it will install on your system. Now once installed, all you need to do is right click on the RAR file, select this WinRAR here, and then click on extract files and click on OK and say yes to all. Basically it has a duplicate copy, so I'll delete this and I'll try to extract it again to show you better. Okay, I click on OK and it has extracted it in the same manner, but you must have noticed that it was quicker. And one more option is that you can also use third-party RAR extractor tools. So simply search for WinRAR in the Microsoft Store. WinRAR is not on the Microsoft Store, but you'll get all of its alternatives like BreezeZip RAR extractor, OggZip RAR extractor, etc., etc. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.